Here we have this 2017 67 plate BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sports GRAN Coupe. Now this vehicle does come with over £5,000 worth of optional extras included. Now do you have your LED headlights, the black front kindergrills, gloss black front splitter. Now we do have 4 superb unscratched unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels on this vehicle in gloss black with the blue M Sport brake calipers just handy behind. We have your M Performance stickers on the side with your side skirt extensions. Going to the rear, you can see we do have the full leather seats throughout this vehicle. They are the Dakota leather, they're in navy blue. You have your ISOFIX points just down there and your vents just down there as well. Electric windows, integrated Harman Kardon speakers. Looking inside the vehicle, the driver's seat is heated, electric and memory. We have the steering wheel just there with your carbon fibre accents, paddle shift if you stay in manual mode. You have your auto high beam assist, auto lights, again integrated Harman Kardon, electric windows, screen in the centre where you can see satellite navigation. You have Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio, front and rear parking sensors. On this vehicle you do have the digital dash, as you can see just there, free from any more lights on the dashboard. You have your little triangle for the low fuel and the doors open. Your dual zone climate control with your heated front seat. Looking at the inside of this vehicle. Now, this vehicle is available to take away today, free contact nationwide next day delivery. HBI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we offer competitive low finance. Thank you for watching.